What's going on, traders? Welcome to Options Premium Daily. Today, Palantir is performing well, like expected. We had a prior video somewhere here, oop, and that covered some of the news coming out with Citron Research and their price target. I think they're shooting for Palantir to around 20, but we did see some maybe more localized support. So we could sit here, but I more so want to showcase a trade that I have. My covered call that I had set up during that trade, if you saw it, we are now looking pretty good. So what we can do, let's jump in the platform really quick before it before my profits drop further. All right, so we're in the platform here. You can see kind of this localized support that was set up basically over the last week or so, and we're looking good. We've been testing it. Today we tested it. Quite frankly, maybe later this week we test it too. I always like to look at certain things like, say, SPY and get an idea of the overall broad market, and you can see we're actually testing a higher trend line there. But there's a couple factors at play on my end that are more so influencing me wanting to take profits now. So I'll show you the trade. And if you recall, here is the Palantir trade right here. Covered call, or actually technically it's a poor man's covered call. This is my representative synthetic stock, this 12.5 strike call, and it's deep in the money, looking great, but that is almost as if I'm holding 100 shares of stock. My actual cost on that was 580. You can see I'm sitting on a pretty good profit for now, so that's great. But the bigger thing, I have a covered call against it. So I sold a call at the 28 strike 6 days ago. So you can see it's been open for 6 days. And we're looking pretty good. That originally this was at like $340 in terms of my profit for the day. I probably should have took that profit at 340 about 20 minutes ago instead of setting up for a video. But hey, c'est la vie. Let's do a couple things. I'm gonna try and sell this really quick, and then what will happen is it will basically bring my cost down. Let's see this here. So 580 minus, let's say, 284. So now my true cost basis, at least on this leap, is going to be $296. I'd love it to get to zero, but we can maybe look at some other covered calls in the future. Nonetheless, I'm going to set this maybe a little higher. I'll say 290 as my sales price there. So when I get filled, I'll give some updates along the way. But just wanted to show you a quick trade coming in. A new one we took on today was Square, and I have a video that is actually set and scheduled for later today. So you should see that pop out. Go ahead and look for it. And as always, I appreciate you. Stay well, stay safe, and keep on trading. All right, thanks. Bye.